Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day. Well, blessed love, blessed love, blessed love, blessed love. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome to Kino Life in Jamaica. I hope you're having a wonderful day anywhere you are, anywhere you're watching from. You know, thank you for being here. Remember guys, please, as you enter this video, you know, you kindly put the thumbs up. I don't love the subscribers of Kino Life in Jamaica. Once you love this program, you put the thumbs up. Right? If you don't love it, I understand. We still appreciate your view, you know, so I thank you same way, you know, for your blessings, and thank you for your view. And if you're watching and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, you know, be a part of the family, you know, once you enter the subscribe if you haven't subscribed, you know, and if you don't subscribe, we still love you and I still understand same way. So we thank you also for your view. Yes guys, so today is that day. Today is the day of all those days, you know, the day of all those days. Trust me, it's going to be a wonderful day, you know, great experience for the Cranberry and the family, you know. Most people saying Cranberry family, you know, that sounds good, you know, even though it's Cranberry and family, you know, Cranberry and family. Trust me, it's a wonderful day today, you know, and we just want to thank Dana D from New Jersey. You know, Dana D from New Jersey, we want to thank you so much for this wonderful treat for the family, you know, for the Cranberry. Let's say the Cranberry family, yeah, the Cranberry family. Yeah, we thank you so much, you know, for these blessings. Dana, we thank you. We cannot stop thank you so much, you know, for being so considerate, you know, for showing the love, you know, the compassion, the care that literally we speak about that you have for this family. You know, trust me, it's magnificent. And we really do appreciate, we the subscribers, the viewers, we appreciate everything that you're doing for this family. Trust me, it's a wonderful experience, you know. Thank you so much, you know. Dana B, God bless you. You know, the thing goes already. Words, thank you is an understatement for what he really is doing, you know, but trust me, the Lord know, you know, because he already know what's inside and what your intention is, you know. It's nothing but goodness for this family, you know, so thank you so much. Yes guys, so I'm on my way now to go and pick up Cranberry and the family, you know. So as you can see, it's that time, you know, it's the big moment for them, you know, trust me. And you're gonna stay tuned till you see we reach our destination, you know, because we're leaving from one destination, you know, till the next. So you're gonna stay tuned on that journey, you know. Thank them so much. So whoa, you know, watch out for that, say whoa, you know. It's that wow moment, you know. It's a wonderful moment, trust me. So everything is lock and load, you know, seatbelt on, and I hope you're sitting down having your cup of tea. If it's the morning or evening and it's too cold, you still want to have a cup of tea, fine. If you're having your wine, having your dinner, or if you're in your bed, you know, with your wife or your husband, sitting back watching this video, we thank you so much, you know, with a big smile on your face. I can see the big smile on your face, you know, so pick up on yourself, you know, the thing goes already. It's nothing but love. So welcome to the Kino Life in Jamaica family. You also a family, you know, we are all family, you know, because watching this program, guys, we all becomes family, you know, because I'm always there on your TV, your prayer, your thoughts, everything that counts. But thank you so much, because everything that counts, it makes sense. Oh boy, so I can't wait to see the excitement on the family's face, you know, especially the kids them, You know, I cannot wait to see the excitement on them face when time them reach them destination, you know. Trust me, it's gonna be wonderful. It's gonna be epic, you know. It's gonna be, you know, what's his name? L.L. Lewis. That says it's gonna be subolious. You know, L.L. Lewis always create his words. So L.L. Lewis says, yo, there's gonna be a subolious moment. You know, colors that say fabulous. You know the thing goes. We Jamaican, we create words, you know. So guys, remember, keep it in mind to always stay positive no matter what. You know, whenever you're watching, keep it positive. Same way towards the family, you know, because no one is perfect in life, and everything in life is, we have to also evolve, you know. So everything is a growing stage, you know. Everyone deserves time for growth. You know, you don't just grow overnight, because you don't get to the age that you are right now without growth, without time and patience for reach where you are. You know, you just jump there tomorrow. You know, no, it takes time. So just show love and appreciate. You know, no one's perfect in life. You know, nothing is perfect. Only the Creator Himself. You know, so you know the thing goes. So blessed love, guys. So right now I'm in a bit of traffic. You know the early morning traffic goes already. So we're in that journey with that traffic. So hopefully it's gonna calm down. You know, but blessed love, guys. So stay tuned. You know, Dream Team One Team. Peace. Peace out. Well. Blessed love, guys. Blessed love. So yes, so just arrived here. It's a beautiful sunny morning. Place is quite sunny and bright and nice as well too, you know. So walking up to the house, you know, to get them to walk come down, you know. You know what's the weirdest? It's the first time literally step out the car, doing a video without the team walking towards Cranberry. Imagine that. Usually, you know, me that say, yo, Wow Chef is here, Rasta Jax is here, Boom is here, or Esther is here, or whosoever come, you know. So usually this is me alone now in the early morning. So you know, it's different when it's come on to occasion. This is the occasion walk, you know. Right, nice morning for this vacation for them. So let's see what I want. See there, quiet, no music. I can't. We can stay from right here and hear talk of voice. Just hear talk of voice all alone. Imagine they're gonna leave all of this. Imagine they're gonna leave all of this now. Stepping out of town. You know? Stepping out of town, well, out of bound. Hey, hey, hey. Morning.
You know the fun my one.
You like the hairstyle?
I'm mad at it.
Morning.
Morning.
Tara. Coco. Yeah. You see?
Daddy, you call him.
No?
Him gone down because he couldn't get him here shape last night. So him shot his gone down early. That he could have leave. But I give him a phone.
We'll call him. Mommy!
When there?
Papi.
Papi, papi!
I'm just saying my car.
So I'm ready already?
Yeah, him put on him clothes.
Oh.
Him put on him clothes already. I'm part of the bag them and tell so to tell him what I'm saying.
Oh.
You're pretty keen now.
Thank you. Pretty hairstyle.
And she a ball of mother do it in a key. Oh, when I got papi, I shut it, go down, go drop off Ari. Come the car, my brother, tell her. Bring her home today. Nana, wait here. I have it.
Come here. And the kettle one
You
left.
can give me a key that.
And the kettle one left.
Yeah, the kettle stay. You must stay.
Alright guys, so you know.
Yeah.
Coco, you have on 2 wrong foot, the slippers not put on right.
Keep Cranberry. Hold this. Hold it, I'm not allowed to do it. You have to come, Tara. You're saying. Come, go on.
One minute. No, no,
Alright, go on. Ikram. Cranberry. No, go on.
Mommy, the lightest box.
You know somebody that side get the ear where much over ear color.
Look here.
It look a bit big. Then some pretty. Uncle Beard, the floor said you can bring it up. Don't let it ear so when this Beard thing said bring it up. And you go come back here and you go see it. You never know who move it. Oh, where the bag? You bear it and you left it. How is this? The right one. Yeah, computer. Bring up that one. Let it stay. One.
Yeah.
Area wall. Then one jump the one.
Tara can't jump there, so? When I say right, that's a spot there, she can't jump it. So, oh my Dan. It's a whole world to wash up.
like it, sorry. I really feel boy. Abe, tell about your walking. Don't go visit. Yo, take out that antenna. I tell you how much mango we eat. The one that with the pantry a year when that ball is see red on them. So when he get a bag, him just speak some prayer. What she name this one? Esther. I make my prayer then. So me tell him to man you can't get it. Yeah, you stop playing for the guy.
Sit there.
Everybody is some favor of granny. Two mother can bread me here. They say a favor of granny.
Alright guys, so we there here,
You must say him just left. May I look at him see him over a bus stop over the zone.
left.
Yeah, him just left from out there. I'm just saying there about 3 person where him that shave. May I look over them and see him.
Mommy, all of the club and then
So oh my days. So basically guys, this is the dad went to the barber shop. Yeah, so the dad went to the barber shop. So basically when I was there, he never there because she said he went to the barber shop, but she gave him the phone for us to contact him. So we are ringing him, we're not getting him. So I came to the barber shop and he's not here. Hold on, see my car. Georgie.
Yeah.
Hey, where there?
You know what you mean, a bridge up, huh?
We're there at the barber shop there, so and I'm popping. So she never tell us if we wait and stand done.
You know what she said, every other car, every car, every reach up a yard.
Yeah, but me I ring the phone long time and now I get the phone. You see the missed call them with the phone I get.
I'm going to see the missed call for the phone, yeah.
Ring the phone much time.
I don't know, I see the phone, yeah, man. I don't look at the phone, I come and have the phone by my leg.
Mommy, Daddy, I come.
So basically guys in back at the yard.
Come. Yeah, shut up.
Same up at the yard, you know.
Him just call back.
Him just got on.
I tell you
How long the phone there ring come like that?
Alright guys, so the dad finally reached. So the dad just reached basically. What go on?
What you say? I mean, tell you say if you fall before me reach over, call me. Then I can wait for you down here.
I'm gonna ring the phone all long.
The
So your phone
phone
did
is silent, you put the phone for you.
Yeah. So now everything now?
Yeah.
Guys, in the closing eyes. God just guide and protect us on this trip and be everything that you want to make happen, you will make it happen, Almighty God. But guidance on the road by the time we're going down and coming back up, Almighty God. Let's keep and care us, Almighty God. In the name of Jesus, amen.
Cheers guys, so that's the word of prayer from Kenisha. So you know it's time for us to hit the road. So bless you guys, so stay tuned on our journey. So we have charge here. Fresh up.
Yeah. That's good, you know?
Fresh up. You know how the thing goes already. So guys, so now we in Draxal. So guys, so we also have to, we said we cannot stop thank Dana D. You know, we have to thank her again for this wonderful treat.
Yeah.
You know, so give thanks to Dana D again once more. Dana D, big up yourself anywhere you are. You know, we're watching from it's in charges, so we
Yeah,
can't
Dana D, thanks again, man. God, this joy, I feel it already. I mean,
Yeah.
I reach it, you know? Yeah.
I'm
So,
feeling
only for
joy.
thanks, man.
Dana D.
No, Dana D.
Ken.
Dana D, thank you so much, and may God bless you and make your food basket never empty.
You thank her, Nana. You thank Dana D.
Thank you, Donna. I make your food basket never empty.
Where's Cranberry hiding? Cranberry.
Tell Dana D thanks.
Thank you, Donna, so much.
Alright then, so Dana D will thank you as well to so much. Tara, you want to thank Dana D? You
Thank you, Donna.
Okay. So you know the thing go. So you know what I'm saying? It's an experience, you know, it's the first for everything in life, you know? And it's a wonderful experience
Oh,
for the
Tara,
family.
you want to tell Dana D thanks, you know.
Oh, Tara?
Nana, Toko.
Toko. Come Toko.
Thank you, Donna. I know make your food basket never empty.
In there. Amen. So you have Devon House over there, so then I come in the Devon House there.
Okay.
No, Devon House. A mini Devon House, yeah man. So you give thanks, it's a wonderful experience. You know, even charge the first time experience driving on the highway as well too.
Yeah.
You know, usually I know him would reach nowhere near them side as
well.
well.
Next time from money, excitement.
Yeah. Can you try first time you drive this direction?
Yeah.
Highway? Yeah, so you know it's the first for the family as well to driving on that Edward Seago highway. You know, so Edward Seago highway was on. So we in Draxal now heading on to our destination. So you know the thing goes on, guys. Guys, now we're bringing them on my favorite pudding spot. Oh, go a Rasta, man. So now, pudding spot. Come.
No, I can't. I have to hold on for you and across the road. You hold on for you.
Come. Tara. Look on the road, Tara. Look where you're going. Come. Yeah, I'm like, Rasta man, you spot me. Oh, go on. Hold on. Who that? This is the Mango Rasta man.
Alright, big man, I build up.
Yeah.
The gardener ready to come up.
I shall build a mansion for you, man.
To come to the gardener.
Yeah. You think good though?
Yeah, man.
You know. Yeah, man, the sun, don't you say one?
Come on, I build up.
Big mansion.
Big man trying to come sit down in a get Rasta man.
So big her up now?
Big up the man. The girl, so you're a Rasta man, yeah?
Yeah.
You never forgot you.
Hey,
I mean, still upon the journey.
same way.
Just like that. I mean, I want to see a Rasta man, you know?
See, man. Charge it.
See, man?
I don't want to put them this, you know. See the heat from them?
Yeah.
So it's all
Why you
put.
gonna hear that?
Come. Guys, remember B-Mongo when she was in the side with the Rasta man. The Rasta man there, you know, spot me on the way. The finally find the Rasta man. Remember that song? She finally find the Rasta man. Yeah, that's how you have to go farm a place when in Africa there. I usually build a mansion for still, you know the thing was. Build a mansion for Yana over there. Yeah. What type of put in your man? Can't put in your life. What type of put in your man? I saw you drink here. This is the potato bag. Potato family, Dad.
Thank you so much. What do you say?
A banana bubble.
How much that? Free? You go, guys? Yeah, man. Cool. All right. You come. You come.
After going in there, I go take some game. And then
What about the side now? Just went to find a parking, so they're in the lobby, so that's where I'm going to head to right now. Yes, sir. There's no parking. The parking is a bit different here, you know, because all of the roadside here is full off with cars. But I'm saying if I find a space on the sidewalk on the side here, then I could park, but there's none, literally. You know, there wasn't no chance for me to get any anyway. the chance was so slim. So I found that park a little distance away, so now I'm heading back. You know. But down here the sun is hotter than Kingston. Trust me, hot. Hot, hot, hot. So we are here. Dana day, you know what I'm saying? This is a wonderful blessing for the kids, then trust me. This is a wonderful blessing for the kids. Huh? I call it, take it.
Everything in there.
We're hiding. Cranberry. And do what?
You see, with this loyalty bracelet, you get discount. So you get 10% discount at the spa, 5% in the lobby bar, and premium liquors, and 5% discount in the lobby shop. Premium liquors are the top shop because then when I really come inside the package,
Yeah.
you get discounts. How are you today?
Fine.
Welcome. Alright, it's a pleasure to have you here at the Bayer Principe Brand Jamaica.
Go and get the rest of them.
Lemon foam, lemon.
So your bracelet is also your key to open your room door, right? Okay, is this okay for you? Yeah.
Yeah, I think
I'm going to give you another bracelet too. So this is your loyalty bracelet. Okay. With this you get 10% discount at the spa, 5% discount in the lobby bar and premium liquors, and 5% discount in the lobby shop. Alright.
Go. The fire.
Welcome, Bayer Principe
Sure.
Jamaica. How are you, ladies?
Yeah, reach over.
Alright, this is your bracelet, alright? Is this okay? Thank you. Thank you. How are you today? So happy to be here. Thank you. Is that
Daddy.
okay?
Food you want.
Food you want to stay?
Yeah.
You hear that?
Food.
Go want stay out here.
Look, Shadow. Yeah, but she don't want to go home. She want to stay out there.
Of course, why not? Beach, what is on the beach? I love me go on.
I gotta leave you here, man. Don't worry.
How are you, sir?
Yes.
Welcome to Bayer Principe Brand Jamaica. Is this okay? Yeah. And your bracelet is also your key to open your room door, alright?
You just go and put it on the door.
Yes. Give me a moment. Let me get another bracelet.
To have a chip in it, yeah, so. So passenger. You stop it from the door. So welcome, Chargy.
Yeah. I feel it, Jai, brother.
Feel the joy, you know. Cheers.
Feel the joy.
It's that joy, man. I start enjoying it yet. Yeah, well, I still have, so when you're done now, I'm not going to get lunch because I still have time. But here you eat all as if all inclusive, you know, you eat all you can eat.
This is yours as well. So this is your loyalty bracelet. With this you get 10% discount at the spa, 5% in the lobby bar and premium liquors, and 5% discount in the beauty shop. Alright? Alright, so let everybody know. Let me give you a little information.
Yeah. When you come,
Ready to go.
when them don't eat, you win, so.
So we then done with our water park.
Yeah. So come, hear what you're saying.
Alright. So I just want to take the time out to welcome you all to buy your Principe Grand Jamaica, alright?
Yeah.
I hope you have a wonderful stay with us. So your room is not ready until 3 o'clock, but I'll go and check it to see if we can get it before that time. Alright? So to have something to eat now, come up because I'm going to show you this map.
Come.
Alright? So this is where you are now. Alright, to have something to eat, we have the Round Island Jerk restaurant by the pool. Alright, we have the main buffet restaurant which serve breakfast, lunch and dinner. 1 o'clock until 3 for lunch, 7 to 10 for breakfast, and also 6 to 10. Alright, so lunch is going on right here at the Miam Buffet restaurant. So this is where you're going to go. And we have lunch serving at the Round Island Jerk and also the beach, snack Pisces and the Jerk Center. Alright, to make dinner reservations, you do them at the guest services desk. Clearly. Alright, going to give you some towel cards, and we also have a kids water park for you guys. Alright, and a
Kids water park.
Kids club. You can take them over to the kids club so that they can enjoy themselves.
Wow.
Alright, so these are the towel cards. You exchange them and you get towels to use. Alright, during your stay. Alright, so go and have something to eat now and meet us back here by 2:30.
Alright.
Alright, welcome and enjoy.
Wow, we must have four.
Eh? Yeah, take the stairs. Come, this way. Yes, charge. Son, happy what you Where are you going?
You know my mommy? From Bristol.
From Bristol?
Yeah. You know my mommy, we used to play football together, man.
Yeah, Jim, I try to crack the face. Hula, man, it's been a while. It's been a while, man. It's been a while. Oh! Well, no, you take out the towel now, we can see where I go on.
Yeah, man.
Everything good?
Yeah, man.
Cooler, man. Go and enjoy yourself.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
You go
man.
and do your thing, man.
All right.
Watch your stuff, you know.
Yeah. Big up, man. Yeah. Where's the charge?
Oh, man, I said we took 3 days at Jai, brother, man. I want to hear, man.
Look at the beauty. Yeah.
Daddy, I'm happy.
You happy?
Yeah. Of course, you come out that one there, and I'm going to see them one of a step down. How we are going Granny Beach with us. Walk along there.
That's beach. This is not a beach.
No, the beach, how we see. We are come up there.
But here you have beach as well too. See the beach there? You have pool, you have beach. So you have everything.
come. I'm here, I will have a hand to them. You know, see about light? Yeah, Bob.
You want a picture?
Yeah, we actually want to place them.
You want a picture of it?
Well, let's keep it, yeah.
Just put it on the ground. Now pop me up in a little bag.
Thank you, Daddy. Very much. Alright. Today we are going there, yeah? And then...
It's not at the pool, I picture.
Yeah, Daddy, the pool is nice. I just say, oh, Jay shot serious. Jay shot. No, they didn't bring me. You know, Kino. This is a full one. That's a big peak for them one.
Probably can't see anyone. I'm going there. But I want a shallow for tire. Shallow for tire. I'm shallow for you. I'm not for going at the adult one.
Yeah, pretty, Kino. You know, Kino. That's all the
Huh? Yeah. Well, guys, you know the thing goes already. System is very excited. Kind of deep, pick up yourself, you know it goes already. You know. The first time we came to this side, it was Oliver and Carla, you know, so we give thanks to Dana D for making this experience for the family, you know. So the lunch part is already done there, but we have to just walk the pool side, so just can them go and so I go on. Yeah. Take picture?
Yeah. Mommy!
Catching up bloody face.
Eh?
See them over for the next time.
The pool. We are out.
Yeah. I hold for pool now. You have the next side as well too.
So it's all
The luxury part.
Different part.
Pool and a side.
You can go and see it too.
Yeah.
See over there. The most really nice.
up at them place where them have lunch up here son. And you have down at the place as well to where you have lunch. Oui.
Wow, cool.
Have a jacuzzi, but lift over the side.
See there? I can't see it.
You know you have the luxury part.
I was there in that beach. Eh, Kina? White summer.
I owe you. You say, Dali. Why not? The kids them is really excited. Excited. But we're gonna make them eat first, you know, because it's been a journey. So we're gonna make them have something to eat, you know, before them can literally get to go and take on the water, you know, because them in a eager, just want to get in the water, you know, trust me. But see, alright, you see in here so now, so lunchtime, and you eat all you can eat, okay? Eat all you can eat. 7. Why not? And I thick like liquid. A liquid soap is most liquid soap. That is for us if we're buying something. We get discount. Come. 7.
Right here?
Yeah. You rest the bag in the can of yourself. Can I rest in the bag in the can?
Alright, excuse me.
Yeah. The buffet.
I'm gonna set the table for you.
Alright. Look come. Charge it. Come. You can leave the bag there. We're going to buffet. Alright. So the buffet down here, sir. Now take a plate and you take anything you want. So you can have anything you want or plate over here. Plate.
What's going on? I just see them every day. What's up? What's up, Kina, man? Oh my God, you're doing a great job. All right, that's my friend.
Hello.
How are you? What's up with the front camera?
Yeah, to the front camera.
It's so nice to see you guys. Nice street. I'm here since Saturday, so that's why I don't see anything fresh.
Okay.
I see Cranberry here. Good. Cranberry.
Cranberry. Tara.
Who was Nana again? Nana,
Toko.
You guys are great swimmers. It's a pleasure seeing you guys.
Yeah, thank you.
How much are they? 3, 4.
4. 4 of them. I was just reaching out.
We just reached?
Yeah.
We're about to leave because we're here since Saturday.
Oh, since Saturday?
Yeah, we came on Thursday.
Oh.
You might have changed figures so they can buy something.
So listen,
I know you guys
$10 each. Alright?
It was unexpected.
So you keep that and you keep that.
So 1 to 1.
So 10, so never change it. Right?
Thank you, the camera. And welcome. You're welcome.
Thank you, Coco.
I watch you guys all the time. I'm keen to eat off the pine and I never get any, right?
Because I'm get pine already.
All the time, right?
Yeah,
So how you see you guys?
yeah, man, thank you so
And
much.
don't go into the water with those beads. I know you guys love to swim. Here is gonna mess up. You know that, right?
Them look here. The way them eager for going in the water.
Big up yourself, man. Big up yourself. You're doing a great job.
And thank you so much
Listen,
as well. Thank you.
take care and
Yeah.
it's not a joke. Take care of it. Before you know it, you don't want to.
Lose it.
I'm diabetic and I know how that is.
Yeah. So, yeah.
Just do the best. Herbs, keep it real.
Yeah.
Alright?
Alright, man.
Enjoy.
Alright.
I'll be here what? For a couple more weeks to get home.
Oh, so you will see me?
Yes.
You will see us.
Alright.
Alright. Then.
Take care.
Alright, then take care.
Not very the woman give me a hug, man.
Go on.
And be good, okay? You wanna give a hug, give her a hug.
I'm going to step on your toe. Oh, that.
Yeah, man, that's style different, you know? You don't want to step on it, you drop and broke your back.
I know I'm Alright, so take a plate right now. Take a plate. Take a plate. So I'm going to work here for Tara. So, what you can do? When you can do it, when you can just take one one first, plug the plate, and if you want other stuff, you can get another plate and then put and come back. Because you don't can carry everything like that. If you want. So anything you want is there for you. So charge it, you can look around. You know. Spinach. Yeah.
The purple cabbage. The purple cabbage is really good. You should try the purple cabbage.
Yeah, me always try and have to.
It's very good.
Now you can look around.
Yeah. Oh my God, I'm so happy to see you guys.
Yeah. Alright. That's all you want? Cranberry, what do you have? Or you find something? What you having?
You know, first some piece, but they don't.
You have to look around if you see. Don't understand? What you want? Yeah? What you want? Sachet? See there? Where's the sachet? There? Let's take it up now. Let's show you the big chef. Let's take up any amount you want. That's how much that you want.
And then make a come back.
What is the one?
I tried to get it all on there, but I couldn't quite make it.
Alright. What cranberry? See ya, boy. No, sir.
Oh, yeah, go.
Now go down here, sir. Cranberry, I go hard.
Mother, they do it. So, mother, who's up here? Look by your plate, man.
My plate here. A cranberry plate. I shall go hard. So I go on over here. Like Nana. I'm having fruits. Nana, your plate? The plate look good, Nana. All the plate look tough. My hands up the plate. All the 2 hands. If I rice and peas.
My plate full kid, I'm going to put it again. Then come back for your Anna.
Up here, rice and peas on that plate there.
Yeah, the plate I'm
See where the meat there? The meat are high.
you want somebody supposed to how are these? And a cabbage, and a cabbage.
A pop show.
Pop show.
What charge you? Fountain.
Yeah.
You may come have your fruits them as well to you. Right? I mean, I eat so much fun. No, you have to bring it to the table first and then come back. Yeah, Nana, hold on. Yeah. Oh my, you gonna eat up all of that, Nana? Well, look very good, look very good. Alright, Charlie. Come, you remember the table is? Look where you go.
I just put on this come back here,
Yeah.
a 3 plate, me wa. I said, I want 2 more.
Eat all you want. Come here. Right here.
See back there.
So you're gonna eat all of that, Nana?
Yeah.
These put one cranberry plate. No, sir. Guys. Yeah. Guys, look for one cranberry plate. No, sir. No. Guys, keep on cranberry plate. No, when I come sit down, they will give it to you. Me go on, man. Me go on watch your food. Me go on. Go on now. Me and mommy down there. Now outside them I go hard, guys. No. So the cranberry gone again. So Toko, you eat so much? Yeah. Yeah. Sit properly. Sit properly. So you gonna eat that? You gonna eat half of that Toko? Toko is knife and fork. That Toko is. Toko is knife and fork. You see why?
If I get my favorite fried chicken, the man fried chicken.
Fried chicken.
Oh, yeah, none of them know how to
Charge, I say you eat enough too? Can you eat that? No, stay. Eat them soon come. Think on a light eater, I never know what you can eat, man. Where is me? Yeah. That's just good Jamaican food, you know. Yeah. I say you can eat right through the day. Anytime at all. Because you have different places where you can eat at the jerk spot. So you eat as much. One time, what you can do as well too. Alright, so whenever we bring anybody come at them place, yeah, they always like bring things to them room. And when they go away, pack up one little chicken in a bag and play things and bring it back home. Yeah. Because talk with that knife and fork. Tara, pull Tara closer to the tip to our table. Pull her closer. Cranberry, so she gone again, and Nana. But the thing couldn't afraid of food. I never know who could I eat. No. Alright guys, so I'm having the swordfish and kingfish. And pop chow, spinach, and some mushroom. no one. They want to charge you. Juice or what? Juice? Or what? What kind of juice you have? Nana, come here. Yeah. Nana, you eat ice cream too. Yeah, you can take up these. You can take these out.
I want water.
Just give more water.
This one is for you, you know.
Okay. Yeah, bring the water. Just bring the water. Yeah. Oh gosh. Ice cream too.
Yeah, I like to go.
Let me have some. Is this running tap water? Teacher. Yeah, no. Oh, you're training. You just let me have some.
I get some more.
Alright. What kind of juice you want? You have pineapple, them have fruit punch, them have Coca-Cola. What kind of juice you want? You have pineapple and fruit punch, orange juice, pineapple, Coca-Cola, and Sprite.
Sprite.
Just take your time. Me want to see you eat up all of this today.
Me I back a cold that.
Wipe off your face, you have ice cream and eat all bowl. Look at Toko, sit down. Toko, sit down on the table.
I'll chicken this again.
Mind the water, man. Yeah, I'll sprinkle it. Let me see if I saw you can eat. The ice cream. Oh, see, ice cream there. So, Nana, so you can eat up all of that? Plus that too? So, Cranberry, you can eat up all of this? Plus this?
Yeah.
Yeah?
And then I'm going for one more plate and then I'm going to pull it down. You see one plate, the 300.
Remember saying I have dinner again later, you know?
Yeah. I'm going to wash up now.
I know river, I pool.
The pool.
At the beach.
And the beach.
I want to have later again, so I'm not going to eat as much later.
Yes, 2 more plates.
Now I get fat before I reach home.
Look here, we get different kind of different kind of food.
I want to place a look at I'm there for a pan when they don't get ice cream. Like, woman can cut, we saw the plate full stuff. Full up. So ask them if we never go for one, I will say yes.
Ice cream and food.
Them tell me ice cream.
Me the things that me could have eat.
So we put yeah, either one of us, anything we don't want to cover up. Oh, my son, daddy. If I eat up one plate of food and I leave that one plate of all my son. When I come back in from outside, I'll treat you with belly of food. We are fat. And you put this in there.
You put cornflakes in there.
You follow me, I'll put this in there.
Follow your door.
Everything what my sister them do, I'm gonna eat them tough cornflakes and
Cornflakes in our food. And cupcake.
Ooh.
So, Cranberry, how much slice of omelette?
1 pack.
Water? Please. So put water in all of them.
water here.
So I come with 2 Coca-Cola, 2 Sprite. What about that?
Let me get my pineapple for me. What? Yeah. Ice cream already?
No. I asked him when we talk off.
Who for ice cream that shop?
Mine.
Oh. We're not gonna eat all the food. Because I drink and I eat in the middle of food.
I'm turning my belly out first.
So clear you. My boss.
You know what happened? Them see the food here and think them can eat up everything. They can't eat up everything.
So you have a little bit of food you pick up.
Guys, so I come here, I know how to eat. I have to leave space and room. You know?
But everybody play what is Tara? Daddy? I mean, then I alone take 2 plates of food. Look at them such as a finish and then look like something.
Cut Nana, no, Nana cannot move. Yes, the belly full now, though. No?
Now get butter.
None of them can eat off on the plate. I guarantee, none of them. Not even charge can't eat off in plate. Hey, boss already. We know you can't eat that. Boss already. You say, yo, there's no way in that eat up so much food.
I'm going to drink the water.
Charge it some boss already. Oh no. Now cry. Now laugh and I cry. I will tell them, you know, so listen, all the food, yeah, eat it up. You know, Albert teach me that you have to leave this room. Say eat little like this and little like that, little like that. But yeah, man, it's so much.
I'm just one food.
No matter what, not one of them is going to finish them plate. Guarantee that. I bet you, not one is going to finish one plate. Anytime I leave, I go, wow.
Guys, I hear that no time, no one, number one.
Tara let him start eating.
See Tara boss.
Tara let him start eating.
Yeah. You know, and the ice cream.
She eat 1 meat, she eat a meat. Like Tara said,
No, they're not going to finish. Not even Nana. Nana still have a plate here. See me? And she still have this. Cranberry now, look. She don't even move half of this as yet. And look. Still a struggle. And look here. Oh, stop. Charge your boss already. Can't go no more. And the plate still full.
Just the water and nothing yet, so.
Yeah, man.
Oh, God, please,
Wow. You're full. Your belly already. Oh God. My Cranberry plane. Cranberry start belly hurt, look guys. Food you want, food again. Look, man, the only person my place is empty.
It's all empty.
You got nothing to try. No, start talk up. If I'm talk up late, you don't move. Tara's out there full. Can you just try?
Look for me.
Open it. Take your time, take your time. One number you have 3, 2 or 3. Right here, sir. Here. Use your hand. No, turn on the side. Yes, switch. After 2 or 3 upon it. The light, come use the card, turn on the light, come. Take up one of the cards. Let me see, look, let me see how it's showing. No, my room the next door. Yeah.
Can't show you.
Feel cozy. Feel cozy. 2 big bed. Now cable, now everything. Now wardrobe. So this I just control the AC.
For AC.
Yeah. AC is on already, so very cool. So it's on the bathroom, guys. So check out the bathroom. So this is the bathroom here. So it's on the bathroom and jacuzzi. So that's the shower. And you have the jacuzzi also.
Yeah.
So the jacuzzi. And you also have the toilets.
This is the bathroom.
The toilet.
I have two. That's not that you know.
That is for service. So you don't need to use that. Don't then use the phone. That's the room service for it. So we're not in a room service.
Sit. You don't show we are room.
Good quarters.
Yeah.
Oh, see the neon
Yeah? Yeah. I see him. No, don't use the phone. Put it down. Put it down. Nah, I get charged. Okay. So one big bed and a mini bed over there.
Kina mo wala wala to sleep. Asa ano ka do kina ko
Mommy, no one go out for TV.
Don't watch TV one.
No, bye-bye.
Now what I was saying.
No.
It's it for my arm.
The fire arm.
Wow. What Kina? Eh?
I get pool view. Yeah, it's good seeing. So this is my room. One of them for the towel. One of the key them I want to have for the, to get the towel there. One time I got pool.
Okay.
It said towel upon it.
I know better me.
What are
How much are them? How much are them?
No, they made a spear. They made a spear. Come on from my bed.
Kina na beda jump a big man. Kina mo sleep tonight.
Why? See I bed then.
You want sleep early? Kina can't sleep in there so. Yeah, no.
Me a little Kino make sure on this.
You say I vote or what?
I'm saying
No.
turn up the oh, Kina eat you can't eat it and sit down so. I mean my father alone for the family here.
Let me see my bathroom.
You have tea supplies.
I have TV too.
This is my bathroom.
You have plastic.
What? You say you're gonna be tonight, Kina, you're cool.
Jacuzzi.
Everything.
And then shower. Nice. Nice.
Yeah, that's what I see that this cover the skin. Why they tell you that?
That's if you want to fill it up with water.
Yeah. I don't know what to do.
No, don't sign it.
Lock it up. Put me back. Let it go.
Let it go, you can't do that.
Nice. Yes, guys, just boy, Dana D. Thank you so much, Dana D. You know the kids them is really happy. Trust me, the kids them is so happy. Not lying. The kids them is really happy. I'm not even lying, you know. Everyone is happy. So Wi-Fi. Man, I already see him. Is that come up your bag? Talk up.
We are at the beach. Ready, Nakina?
And the I think the fridge there, so the fridge is see fridge here.
Yes.
You.
So lucky.
You see the fridge right here.
I offer one them.
That's beer. You cannot drink that.
That
I
are
offer one them, yeah.
Them that food.
Yes. And water. What are you going to do? Mama, look at him.
Alright guys, time for them to enjoy the pool now. So why the kids them happy like it's their birthday. Trust me. You know, they're so happy. Everyone enjoying themselves, really. It's a blessing, you know. So them are gonna swim now. Hey, I know them are gonna meet the swimmers them now. See the big swimmers down here.
Don't get clarity.
Yeah, someone have to get something. Your son has swim? Yeah, you can't go over there. You have to get to the towel. Get to the towel, no?
We don't wait until we do somebody.
You have the towel, see me. And I get the towel and just one of them curl in there.
Forget it.
The towel spot there.
One.
Where's the towel spot? Tara, swim, Tara, swim. Yeah?
Something in the water like a wave.
No, at the water will come through the wall. Like so.
Yeah, it feels like a wave.
I can come through the wall. Swim, Tara, swim. Swim, Tara, swim. Tara, swim, Tara.
Come on, man, come on, Tara. What your phone?
Tara, swim, Tara. One over, you go swim.
Give me a back quick, though.
No, I'm not supposed to dive off fight. There's no one nobody that dive. That's you don't want nobody jump on anybody. Tara, you don't want to swim, Tara? Yeah?
No, I'm so over there, so you have to deep over there, so.
Yeah, it's a 4 foot. Yeah. You have a towel card?
Yeah. Why again?
We'll go back to get the towel and come back. Hey, I get the towel and come back here?
Yeah.
I should Tara will get covered a while again. That she realize they might go really far. I told you I get. guys, blessed love. Alright guys, so you know the thing goes, so after the swimming and everything, you know it's time for us to go get some food because it's dinner time now. And then imagine Toko lost her slippers as well too, so we're gonna also check at Lost and Found to see if we hear anything about it, you know, so hopefully we can find it as well too. So we are ready, I'm back, I'm ready to load, so it's dinner night. So you guys, it's been a while you haven't seen me in a jeans, right? Yeah, it's been a while I haven't put on a jeans. I swear the last time I put on a jeans it was like probably when I was in America. I was in January. Yeah, December. But January was the last time I literally put on a jeans. You know, it's been a while, so it's feel good. I got a jeans on, so I'm ready to go eat some food and tell the kids them to go get some food. So let's go. Tara off your walk, so. Come Tara, this way. That's your own food.
Like, you know, my stuff. So I know if them see people now, them want stuff, but them just don't want to say. When they go in their case, they're going to say.
Table for 7, so let's see how them gonna work again tonight with this big food again. Because them can't done the food on them see, so let's see what them are going with right now. You know, so waiting on a table because 7 of us. So this is round 2 for them, you know. I know them belly most full from earlier, if you know them not soon, but let's see if them have plans to them want everything again. So let them enjoy themselves, you know. Round number 2 charge. It's a round 2. Yeah. Let me see how they can manage. Let me see how we're gonna manage round 2. You know? So guys, sorry. So let's see how they're gonna manage round 2, right? Some beans stew here. It's like oysters. Charge again. One mountain again.
And then now eat that again.
One more mountain again, charge.
Pineapple Sprite.
What do you want, chocolate this one? Can't drink your one.
Orange.
Yeah, actually, drop it in. Actually. Alright, let me see what I'm going to do. At least Nana go to ever this time.
Yeah.
Nana learn our lesson. She's taking her time. I'll go. Kenisha now go on too bad. Go charge with the mountain. Let me say move it, man.
What did you do?
I learned this from today.
Yeah. But Nana go on good. Nana play finish. Oh, yeah, go on, man, Kenisha. Kenisha going on well. Nah, make it happen. Alright, guys, I guess Nana to show one more. I guess so.
Yeah, that's all. Yeah, that's all.
In real life.
I will reach out.
I know, you see here, the mobile key, just saying I'm not the picture.
And I eat this. I eat this too, I think. I know it's okay, I'm doing the
So we can walk down on the pool side. As you know, they're taking on the nightcap. Yeah.
Yeah, man, respect what yeah, man, you know, say soon done still, but
Catch a little bag.
it's a little part. Good night, good night.
Now you're here to ensure I do nothing strange, nothing funny, and nothing tricky, okay? Are you ready? Are you ready? Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, here we go. So, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, please.
Catch a piece of the magic show. So I guess tomorrow will be another day, for them to grab some fun. So that was the end of the magic show. So just a look guys, thank you so much to reach this far. I've already put a thumbs up, and remember to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. I want to thank Dana D again. I want to thank you, Dana D. Thank you so much for blessing this family with this wonderful tree. Trust me, it's a wonderful experience. It's a great, great experience. We've been having so much fun, so many jobs. Trust me. Trust me, guys. So they're all happy, they're all good. We really appreciate it, Bless your love, God. Bless your love. And let him go. Peace out. Catch you in the next episode.
nothing that was drinking and stay because I'm so kind of day, just love. All my extended family, nothing but love and love and love. Nothing but watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better end.